Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the setup proceeds smoothly. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on, and your Google Home app is installed and signed in. Once done, power up the Nest Hub and watch for the pulsing white light that signals it's ready. Open Google Home, tap the plus icon to add a device, and choose Set up New Device. This starts the device discovery. You're initiating the secure pairing that lets your phone configure Wi-Fi and personalize settings. Once the Home app finds the Nest Hub, you'll verify the shortcode shown on both screens to confirm you're connecting the right gadget. Tap Confirm, then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the hub can access the internet. The app will offer to transfer your Google account and preferences, except to save time. Next, assign a room for voice routines, link streaming, and smart home services, and set up voice match so the hub recognizes you and personalizes results. Finish by allowing the Nest Hub to download any updates. This can take a few minutes and ensures optimal performance. After updates, test with a simple voice command like, "Hey Google, what's my day?" to confirm connectivity and account personalization. If you encounter issues, reboot your router, phone, and the hub, then retry the setup. This clears network conflicts. Also make sure the Home app has location and network permissions, and that you're signed into the same Google account on both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.